Most international buyers either dramatically overestimate or badly underestimate what it takes to buy in South Florida. Let me give you the real numbers to plan around so there are no surprises. I'm Sandra, your South Florida broker for international investors. Let's talk money honestly. Let's separate this into 3 buckets: what you need to buy, what you pay at closing, and what it truly costs to own. First, to buy. If you're paying cash, you need the purchase price plus a cushion. If you're financing with a foreign national loan, plan on a larger down payment than a local buyer, often a significant percentage down, plus cash reserves the lender wants to see. Your exact terms depend on the lender, which is why we connect you with the right one early. Second, at closing. Beyond the down payment, budget for closing costs, title, taxes, and fees, plus inspections, and for a condo and association application. These are a few percent of the price, and they're easy to forget when you're focused on the sticker number. Third, and this is where people get caught, the true cost of owning. That's property taxes, insurance, and in Florida, insurance is a real line item, usually higher than newcomers expect. HOA or condo fees, maintenance, property management if you're remote, and a vacancy allowance. For condos specifically, one more. Newer Florida laws now require associations to fund reserves and complete building inspections. That's good for safety, but it can mean higher fees or special assessments. Always budget for it and always read the association's financials before you buy. And don't forget the money itself, currency conversion and wire fees, and the timing of your transfer. Moving funds at the right moment can save you real money. Here's the reframe I give every client. A $500,000 condo is not a $500,000 decision. It's the down payment plus closing plus the real monthly cost of taxes, insurance, and fees. When you see the all-in number, you make a much smarter choice and you never get blindsided. If you want to run your own numbers, my International Investor Starter Kit includes a buyer budget worksheet built for exactly this. It's just $27, linked below. And the free checklist is there too if you're earlier in the process. Now, knowing the numbers is step 1. But the buyers who actually lose money usually lose it the same 7 ways. Avoidable mistakes. That's the next video, and it might be the most important one in this series. Grab the starter kit or the checklist below and watch video 4 next.